having a slight situation in this wonderful parking lot after coming from behind all those mountains, dealing with some torrential rain. Mr. Chris McCullough, would you mind taking us through a short synopsis of the recent 8 minutes of your life?
So we pulled into the gas station and I saw Ray reaching for the diesel hose. And I said, no, don't. But Ray still filled his bike with diesel, so now we're here waiting to get a siphon.
Always the foreigners. Always the foreigners. Messing up beautiful American lives.